Okay, today we'll see how to work with the walls, right? How to create walls, different kind of walls in Revit. So I just launched it, so I will go to new and I will select any of the template. So I will choose Imperial Architecture and click OK, right? So we'll see how to create different kind of walls. We have storefront wall, we have glazing wall, right? And also we have generic wall as well. So different kinds of wall we will create with the different kinds of method, and we will edit them as well, right? We'll see how to edit that walls as well. So let's see. Now it's just open. So if you click here walls, right? So we have to select first wall. So I'm going to create architecture wall. It's a category of the wall. When you click here, so it will show you the all family of the walls, which is here. So we have basic wall, and also if you come down, you will see here we have curtain wall. So we are going to study this about the wall and the curtain wall in detail as well. The generic wall, we know that, so you just click here and you can create starting your wall. You can select the height of the wall as well. You can connect with level 2, right? And also the chain and other option you can use as you want. Now I will move here and you can start drawing your wall. So here I will create like 6 feet wall, right? And enter. So this generic wall has been created. You can change this wall as well. If you will select this one, you can, if you want to change, you can change to another, like you can change to 8 inch as well if you want it to change, right? Now as our lesson is curtain wall, so I will go to, and here I will create a curtain wall. So what I will do, again I will go to wall, and from here I will select curtain wall. In curtain wall, first we have curtain wall, then exterior glazing and storefront. Same, I will take this curtain wall, click here, right, and just make same, right, 6 feet wall. So you can create any of them, skip. Again, second I will create exterior glazing because I want to show what is difference between them, right? So I will create this one again. Then the last I will create that storefront wall, right, and click here and just make it 6 feet as well, right? So like that. Now I want to see the 3D preview, so you need to click on 3D preview, all right, here. So now here you will see the differences between them, right? So I will just change visual style, just go to here and just make it shaded. Now you will see actually what is difference between them, right? So first we have generic wall. So here you will see the concrete, all right. Here is, or we can see there is no glass in this wall. So you can create this one. Then we have curtain wall. You can see here. So this is curtain wall, right? If you click here, it will show you curtain wall. The second one, if you click here, and you will see it's a exterior glazing, right? And the third one we have created this one, and it's called, the fourth one is called storefront. This one actually it will not show you the grids, so this one is standard. If you just go here, so this one, it's only the glass, curtain wall, only glass. But if you will click here, so it will comes with the exterior glazing, it will come with the grids, right? For example, if I will click again wall, and here I will choose this exterior glazing. Now if you will make a wall, in click here, so look, it will show you the grids automatically. But if you will create a curtain wall, all right, it will not show you the grids, it's only the plain glass, right? But the storefront will comes with the mullion, glass and the grid together, like that, right? We have this 3 kind of the walls. Now how to modify them? If you have this mullion wall, like this one, you can see here, right? If you click here, so it will show you you are using wall, okay, storefront wall. It comes with the grid and the mullion as well. So these 3 kind of walls you can create according to the measurement. We'll see also how to change them, but let's see how we can change the style or the design of the wall. So if you click on the wall, if you want to edit, from here we can edit only height and width. Even if you go here, we can change the width of the wall as well if you wanted to. So if you go to edit structure, and from here we can change its thickness if you want to change the thickness of the wall, right? For example, I want to change it 6 inches and click OK. So it will change the width of that wall, all right, which you have made it. Okay. So width, thickness we can change, also we can change height from here. But what if we want to change the design on the wall, or what if we want to create a hole inside of the wall, or what if you want to create a curve on that wall? Then you need to edit profile. So you need to select any wall, alright, then you need to go edit profile. When you will click on edit profile, so it will show you the profile of the wall, and you can change this boundary as per the requirement. Simply I will delete that line, click and delete from the delete button, and click an arc from here. Okay, start and arc. So click here, and the last point you can click here. Now just make an arc like this. Now finish edit mode. Now you will see the wall has been changed. Alright. What if the same process you can repeat also with another wall as well? This wall edit profile will help also when we will study the massing and site as well. So edit profile again, so it will show you the profile. So you can delete this one, and if you want to make a design with the curves, you can make a curves design as well, right? So again, I will take this line. So boundary actually you have to make, all right, like this. So you can make any style like this as well. What if you want to make a boundary inside boundary, right? If you will make a boundary inside boundary, it will make a cutout, right? It will make a hole. This is a general rule in Revit like that. If you will make boundary inside boundary, same method will work on this also. Yes, all right. So you need to select the wall. If you click here, it will select the mullion. If you click here, right, it will select the glass. So what do you need? Make sure you have selected wall, and you can see the edit profile option here. I'll click on edit profile option. So will it work here? Yes. Just click here and just make like this if you want to make boundary inside. So just click OK. So automatically some panels are disappear, and something it will adjust automatically. So it's working in the mullion as well. Alright, so that's how you can change profile of the wall if you want to change. Even here, let's see if I will click here. Okay, this wall I want to change. Make sure you have clicked on the walls, alright, double escape and click edit profile. Then here I will choose this arc. Okay, so I will delete this first. Now take this one and click here, then click here, right? Then make an arc, for example, like this, and finish this one. Look at this, very nice. So it's asking you also, do you want to delete that highlighted elements because it's additional? Yes, I want to delete this, so it will delete. Now we got this amazing shape of the window. Even you can use this one as a window. All right, but by using different panels. Okay. Now, so that's how you can edit profile. For example, this one you have edit profile, right? You can make a lot of style. You can delete this one, right? Delete, and here you can click here, right? So again, so one arc you have here, then click here. So just pick the last point, all right? So here, just click. For example, this kind of style you can also create. Look at this, nice pattern. Okay, now we have another method also, how we can adjust this. For example, you have just taken the glass panel. So how we can divide that glass panel into desired number of grids. Then we will apply mullions as well. Example, again, I will go to walls, and here you will choose curtain wall, right? For example, you have made this curtain wall 10 feet, right? Enter. So this 10 feet curtain wall you have made it. So I want to divide it because I want to apply mullion. So I want to divide it as per my requirement. So select the wall, then you will go to architecture, and here you will get the option curtain grid. Alright, this curtain system, this one we will use in massing and site, but here you can use curtain grid. Grid means you can divide the whole panel, glass panel. So now look, it's dividing equally. If you want to divide, so first option we have all segments, mean it will go end to end. In the profile it will go end to end. If you just click here, so look at this, so it's divided. Even you can click here, so you have divided this one, right? Escape, look, right? Undo that, then again you will go architecture, right? Then here curtain grid. So first all segments will be, it will go end to end like this, right? If one segment, so it will come, maybe you want to divide only this block. So click here, so it will divide like that, right? The best thing of this, you can manage it. If you click here, right, select this one, you can manage it like that. You can give it also 3 feet, so it will move. right? You can manage also this one. You can make 5 feet, you can make it 6 feet as well, and enter. Look at this. All right. So then last option we have here, again architecture, and here we have curtain grid. All right, click here. The last option, one segment, like it will come from one closed boundary, all except picked one. For example, like you need to click like this. So this is all line, right? But if you click this one, so this one is picked one. So it will keep all except this picked one. Just enter. Now you will see whatever the area you picked it, it will just delete that one. Again, so click here, curtain grid, and here all except one. So it's all is going, the whole cut is from end to end. Now I want to remove only this picked one. Select this one, press enter. So it will remove the picked one. All right. Now if you want to remove any, so we are just making grid, we are dividing. Okay, there is no Boolean. Okay, there is no only we are making the grid. Okay, there is no Booleans yet. So select this one. If you want to, for example, architecture, and again you need to go curtain grid. So if you want to, for example, select this one. All right, take this one, right, select this one, right, this grid, the line you have selected. If you want to delete, just press delete key from the keyboard. So it will delete the associated line as well. Undo that. So if you want to use the method proper add remove segments, you need to use this one. Click here. Now you need to click on the admin, so it will delete elements like that. So it will give you the extra combination as well. Click here like this, right? So you can select this one and add remove segments, right? Which segments you want to remove, this one, right? Press enter. So it will remove. Look at this. So that's how you can remove. Now we have, like, you have made it the partition, right? You have designed it on the panel. Now it's time to apply Booleans. How to apply Booleans? So you need to select this one. Then again you need to go architecture and Boolean, right? Create horizontal or vertical Boolean on a curtain grid. So you must have a grid. Click here, same three method. We have grid line. So it will apply on grid line. Like you have to select the grid line, it will apply Boolean. Which Boolean you are applying? Here we have the category of it. You can choose any of them. We have rectangular, the size 1.5, 2.5. For example, I want circular. Click here, circular. You can click here. Look, circular will apply. Click here on one grid like this, like this. Then if you want the grid line segment only one, so you can select like this as well, right? But the best option, we have all grid lines. Click here. So wherever it will find out the grid line, so it will apply the Booleans on it, right? Later also you can change the Booleans, right? For example, select this one, all right? So you can double click also. You can, if you will double click, so it will edit profile as well, which we don't want to edit yet. So select this one, and then you go to architecture, again Boolean, all right? So you can select like this, right? So we have this. Okay, now you can see I am not able to select Boolean, right? So double click, so it's taking you to inside, right? So what to do? So select this one. So here we have one option. Make sure you have select element by face. So now you can select element by face as well. Make sure it's unchecked, right? So again I will go architecture, Boolean, right? So here, because it's not showing, because we don't have any grid here, right? So escape this one, cancel. So you need to click on be sure, like you need to move your mouse, then you can select like this, so like this, any single Boolean you can select, then you can change also like this. If I want to select all Boolean, then what to do? So select one, okay, right click, then select similar. All right, so here we have option select similar. So select all instance visible in view. So you can also select like that. So it will select all instance, only the same type it will select, right? Then you can change also rectangular and square. Look, it's changed. Nice. Now the challenge is I need to place a door here, curtain door, right? For example, if you created a wall, okay, I will go and again wall, and here I will create the storefront because it says a mullion, okay? So for example, 10 feet I have, right? So I want to place a door here. If you will go to level 1 and here you will see and maybe you will try from here door, but you cannot place. Curtain door is different. So what do you need to do? Go to 3D, all right? So in curtain wall, we need to place a curtain door. If you will go to the door, but here you will not see any of them, right? There is no curtain door option. And the first thing, you need to select the panel where you want to place the door, right? So I will come down, I will delete this mullion because I don't need it, all right? So now I'm deleting it, but it's not deleting. Why? Because it's locked. It's pinned, right? You need to unpin it first, then delete it. Many beginners, they do mistakes also, they don't know how to delete it. Now I need to select this face. So look, I'm unable to select this face. So how to select this one? Select the wall, then hold tab key and click. Okay, one time press tab key, then click, it will select this panel, right? And make sure this option is unchecked, select element by face. If it's checked, then you will not be able to select element by face. So make sure this option is unchecked. Now select the wall only, click tab one time and click. Now this panel has been selected, but still I don't have option here to change. Why? Because it's locked. You need to unlock it first. Then you will see a lot of options you have here, right? You can change also this one into like another option as well. You have basic wall. You can change this one into basic wall as well. You can close it. But my purpose is to place door here, curtain door. So select the wall or click tab key and click. So it will select this one and unpin it. So here I want to bring my curtain door. So how to bring curtain door here? You need to go insert panel. All right, then load family. All right. Then here you need to doors and here you will get curtain door, right? I will place this double curtain door here, right? Double curtain door and just open it. All right, so this will be open here. Now click here, click tab and click, then here it will show you the double curtain door. Now it's applied. Look at this. Then you can also change the style to fine, then it will show you the handle as well. Because this one is also little bit tricky how to place door. I will revise again. So first of all, select this mullion, all right, the down one, and unpin it and delete. All right, select this one, click tab key and click, so it will select this panel. Then unpin it because we have already inserted, so it's here. All right, now click here, so it will be inserted. That's how you can make the glass panel, curtain wall, how you can make it. So that's all about to making curtain wall, how to create them, how to edit them, and how to place curtain door as well.